Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified every time I upload a video.
I gave you my heart.
So in today's video we are going to do an egg plus tomato mask, and what you are going to need is tomato, a grater for grating the tomatoes. So here I've just grated the tomatoes and I'm just transferring it into the small bowl so that we can add the egg white. I'm going to take the egg,
love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. If you're patient and soon, it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. When I feel like this, society is really trying. When I feel like this, I'm emotional. When I feel like this, I'm I need some signs, cause you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. If the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. Life is a nuisance, tie up solutions. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go big, the bottom of the drink, got a glass halfway. When I feel like this, I'm easier to hide and just a feel like this, I'm not every moment, I just gotta feel love. Standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast at the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give an art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time.
After 15 minutes, this is how my face looks like, and it feels so firm and tight and feels so smooth too on my forehead, even on my cheeks, and I can't even open my mouth because it's so firm and tight. So guys, this is the final results, and to be honest with you, actually I think this is the best mask when you want to tighten your pores, to tighten your skin, and also if you want a smooth face. It actually works magic. So yeah, that's what I think, and that's what I am feeling. So please let me know if you try out this home remedy, and please let me know your reviews and how it went. So yes, so please comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. And yeah, so let me know the kind of home remedy video you'd like me to do next, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.